Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is
Mommy.
And this is my son.
So open.
And today we are baking from Culinary Survival Snowbound Spirits from Detroit Edison's. As always, every recipe is in the bottom of our description underneath our video, and every week we make a blog post that tells you about how we made these cookies. So we'll put a link there as well. Are you ready to start?
Okay.
Here we go.
We need stuffing flour and butter and the string egg.
Okay. Now we need to break it.
Crack the egg.
In a little bit. Oh, can you crack it in here? Whoa.
Did you crack my egg?
You did. There's a little bit of shell
Now
somewhere in here.
I need to mix the egg. We need some jam. We need some jam.
You gotta put some on here. Whoa, that's a big bite of jam. They are out of the oven, and they look really good. Let's rip it apart to see what's inside. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. They're pretty good. Its dough is like a pie dough. It's very flaky.
There's still a little.
They are still a little warm, but they're good that way.
Thank you for watching.
Mhm.
Ah.
We're gonna keep eating some cookies. We'll see you next time. Come on.